Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to today's session of Mind Boost, where we delve into the depths of motivation and self-improvement. Today, we tackle an important topic that affects each and every one of us: the significance of choosing wisely and not wasting our hard-earned money. As we explore this concept, we will understand how making prudent choices regarding our finances can lead to a more fulfilling and prosperous life. So, let's dive in and empower ourselves to make better decisions. Picture this: you have an opportunity to transform your life and pursue your dreams. Perhaps it's starting your own business, going on a dream vacation, or saving up for your child's education. But what stands in the way? Money. Money is the tool that can make our aspirations a reality, but it can also be our greatest obstacle if we squander it thoughtlessly. Today, I implore you to consider the power of choice and the long-lasting impact it can have on your financial well-being. Understanding the value of money is not just paper or numbers on a screen. It represents your hard work, your time, and your energy. Each dollar you earn is a reflection of your effort and dedication. By recognizing the true value of money, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for what it can do for you in your future. Financial literacy. To choose wisely, we must first equip ourselves with knowledge. Educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Understand how money works and how it can work for you. By being financially literate, you'll have the power to make informed decisions and avoid impulsive, regrettable choices. Needs versus wants. One of the fundamental principles of choosing wisely is distinguishing between needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival and well-being, such as food, shelter, and healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, are desires that can often be delayed or prioritized. By prioritizing your needs over your wants, you'll ensure a stable foundation for your financial future. Delayed gratification. In today's fast-paced world, instant gratification is heavily promoted. However, the ability to delay gratification is a vital skill when it comes to money management. Instead of succumbing to impulsive purchases, consider the long-term benefits of delayed gratification. By saving and investing wisely, you'll be able to achieve your dreams and aspirations in a more meaningful way. Opportunity cost. Every financial decision we make involves an opportunity cost. When you choose to spend money on one thing, you are inevitably giving up the opportunity to spend it on something else. Be mindful of the trade-offs involved in your choices. Will that impulsive purchase bring you long-term satisfaction, or would that money be better invested in your future? Building a strong financial foundation, saving and budgeting are the building blocks of a secure financial future. By setting aside a portion of your income and living within your means, you create a safety net for unforeseen circumstances and future goals. Building an emergency fund, paying off debt, and investing for the long term are all integral parts of a strong financial foundation. Dear friends, as we conclude our discussion on choosing wisely and not wasting our money, remember that each financial decision we make has consequences. By exercising prudence and thoughtfulness in our choices, we can shape our financial destiny and create a life filled with opportunities and security. Let's remember that money is a tool to support our dreams, and when we choose wisely, we can unlock a world of possibilities. So, let's commit to making informed decisions, prioritizing our needs, and investing in our future. Together, we can embrace a life of financial freedom and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of self-improvement. Remember, it's never too late to start making better choices. Choose wisely, and let your dreams flourish.